Hello, my name is Joyver Daniel Hoyos Palencia, and I am 23 years old. I am from Altos de Rosario, Bolívar. Regarding my relation status, I am single, has no children, and study political science. My daily routine begins at 7 a.m. when I wake up. Then I take a bath, brush my teeth, get ready, have breakfast, and at 8 a.m. I leave my house for work. In the afternoon, read after work. I work on my university assignment, and at night I like to watch television. Finally, at 10 p.m. I go to bed. Mace shows a man dressed very elegantly and apparently giving a speech because he is holding a microphone. This man has dark skin and is wearing a gray. Is very aggressive. A white shirt and a gray tie. Thank you.